Hey, grade 6. Happy to see you. How are you doing? I'm wonderful. Thank you. Thank you for asking if you did. I miss you. I miss all of you. And here I am again. What time is it? It's time for us to do something addition, something subtraction, something divisional, and something multiplicationally. Okay, what I mean is that it's time for MATH. It's math time, and we're talking about fractions. So you could see from the diagram that we have 1 over 4, 1 over 2, 1 over 8, and 1 over 6. All right, get your math books ready. I mean, your people's book and your workbook. Are you ready, guys? If you're ready, I'm ready too. Let's dig in and go. So let's get a review of the fraction we did in our previous video. Okay, we did division of fractions, and we saw that we could divide a fraction by a whole number by a proper fraction, and we can divide a proper fraction by another proper fraction. Do you remember? Yes. So let's review that. Look at this. Let me bring my head here. For example, if we have 1 divided by 1 over 5. So this is a whole number divided by a proper fraction. So 1, we will change division to multiplication and reciprocal. Okay, turn it upside down, and 5 will go up and 1 will come down, and our answer is going to be 5. All right, do you remember? Let's do these two examples we have. You have 3 over 4. Let's multiply it and change 8 go up, 1 will come down. So what we said was that 4 goes into itself 1. 4 can go into 8 2 times. 3 times 2 is 6. So 6 will be our answer. Let's look at the third one and revise our memories. 5 divided by 6. Let's multiply it and change the fraction next upside down. 4 will go up and 1 will come down. So 2 will cancel. 2 goes into 4, 2, 2, 2, 4, and 2, 3, 6. So what we have is that 5 will multiply 2, and we're going to get 10 divided by 3. This can also be written as 3 whole number 1 over 3. So our answer is 10 over 3, or 3 whole number 1 over 3. Boys and girls, if you're ready, that's our review. Let's get into today's work. We are doing word problems. Word problems. So in word problems, we will have series of or construction of sentences whereby we will have to elicit information, look for information, and solve it. So we will be solving word problems. That is lesson 3 in our people's book. Solving word problems is what we're doing today. So if you're ready, I am ready. Let's get started. Okay, that is how it goes. So what page is this? Page 49 of people's book. Let's get it done. A machine processes 1 over 10 kilograms of sugar every minute. 1 minute, 1 over 10. How many minutes will it take for the machine to process 2 kilograms of sugar? So 1 minute, we have 1 over 10. But if we have 2 kilograms, it means that let's divide 2 kilograms by the number of kilograms we get per minute, and it will give us how many minutes it's going to get. So 1 divided by 1 over 10, and we know that when we are dividing, we change the division to multiplication and do reciprocal. So 10 will go up, 1 will come down. Our answer is going to be 20. So how many minutes will it take? It will take 20 minutes for the machine to process 2 kilograms of sugar. I hope you understand. Come with me and let's do more examples. Now, at page 49 again, a rectangular garden has a length of 4 whole number 1 over 4 meters. Its area is 6 whole number 3 over 8 meters squared. What is the breadth of the garden? Now we know that area of a rectangle is equal to length times breadth. All right. Now we know the area. Yes, we know. We know the length. Yes, we know. What we don't know is the breadth. So in order to find the breadth, we will divide area divided by length will give us the breadth. So what is the area? Area is 6 whole number 3 over 8 divided by 4 whole number 1 over 4. Okay, so this is equal to 8 will multiply 6 and add to 3. 8 will multiply 6 and we add to 3. So 8 times 6 is 48 plus 3. We get 51 divided by 8 divided by 4 will multiply 4 and add to 1. That is going to give us 17 over 4 if I am correct. So we will now have 51 divided by 8 and let's multiply. When we multiply, we're going to change. 4 will go up and 17 will come down. Now here, check your multiplication times table and you will know that 4 goes into itself 1 and 4 can cancel 8 2 times. 17 can cancel itself 1 and then it can cancel 51, I think, 3 times. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 divided by 2. So we get 3 over 2, or we get 1 whole number 1 over 2 as our answer. So the breadth of the garden is 1 whole number 1 over 2 meters. I hope you understand. Come with me and let's do another examples for you to understand more. We're doing word problems in our student book. Okay, here we are. Let's go to page 50. Come with me. People's book, page 50. We have 2 questions here. Tammy had 3 over 5 liters of rose syrup. She poured the rose syrup equally into 4 cups. A, find in liters, the amount of rose syrup each cup had. So to solve A, we're going to get 3 over 5 divided by 4. This is A, question A. Okay, and this is equal to 3 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 4, and this is equal to 3 divided by 20. 3 divided by 20 liters. That is A. Let's go to B. So B, he said she bought another 3 liters of rose syrup and poured the same amount of rose syrup as before into some additional cups. So here we are. She bought 3 and she poured the same amount, which is the 3 over 20 as we have as before. So we're going to get 3 multiplied by 20 over 3. Yes, 3 multiplied by 20 over 3. This 3 is divided by 1, as you know. 3 will goes into itself 1 and goes into 3, 1. Our answer is going to be 20 cups. 20 cups. So how many more cups could she fill? She could fill 20 more cups. All right, that's how we solve the word problem. Do we have one more example? Okay, probably this one. Let's do. A basket contained red and yellow tomatoes. 4 over 7 of the tomatoes were red. All the red tomatoes were packed equally into 12 bags. What fraction of all the tomatoes from the basket were packed into each bag? So we have 4 over 7 divided by 12. Now this is equal to 4 over 7 multiplied by 1 over 12. 4 goes into itself 1 and can go into 12 3 times. This is going to give us 1 over 21. So in order to find what fraction of all the tomatoes from the basket was packed into each bag is 1 over 21. I hope you understand.